Shop layout description. The shop is designed for efficiency and customer convenience. Number 1, part storage section. Shelves for spare parts and supplies. Tool storage area. Organized storage for tool and equipment. Number 3, customer waiting area. Comfortable space for customers. 4, service bay. Main working area for repair and maintenance. Number 5, living area. A small resting area for staff located near the customer area for early access, easy access. Number 6, front desk, reception area for customer inquiry and service request. Number 6, cashier, handles payment and billing transactions. Number 7, comfort room, clean restroom for customers and staff. Now here's our floor plan for our business, Precisa Mecánico de Motores. Operational processes. Customer arrival, then interview and problem description, vehicle inspection, diagnosis, cost estimate, customer approval, repair process, quality inspection, payment, and release. Our operational processes consist of the critical factor. Critical factors such as customers approval before repair process. When do we do this? Because we need the customer approval before the repair process, because the customers may not may not may not be repair the one part of his motorcycle. So we always seek for the customer approval. Then also the quality inspection. Before the customers pay and release his or her vehicle, we do quality inspection or quality check to ensure the motorcycle is on a good condition before we release it.
Equipment and tools. The shop will be invest in essential and advanced tools to ensure accurate and efficient service, including diagnostic scanner for troubleshooting, hydraulic lifter for easier servicing, air compressor and power tools, complete tools, sets, and workbench, safety environment measures, use of personal protective equipment or PPE, proper handling and storage of tools, fire safety equipment, fire extinguisher, clean and organized workspace, environmentally responsible disposal of used oil and waste. Next po.
Market summary or analysis. Market summary analysis. Target market segment. Motorcycle owners, delivery riders, ride-hailing drivers, student and workers. Customer needs analysis. Customers in this market prioritize affordable pricing, fast service turnaround, reliable and accurate repair, trustworthy mechanics. Market demand analysis. Due to regular maintenance cycle and increasing motorcycle usage, demand remains and sustainable. Customers typically return every 2 to 3 months, ensuring repeat business. Explanations. This section highlights our target customer, their, their main needs, and why there is steady demand for our service. By focusing on affordability, speed, reliability, and trust. We aim to build long-term relationship and ensure customer loyalty. Product service offered. Core services, change oil and preventive maintenance, CVT cleaning and tuning, brake system cleaning, engine overhaul, top and full, electrical system repair, fuel system cleaning, specialized service, engine performance upgrade, accessorized installation, advanced diagnostic. Service advantage, affordable pricing, accurate diagnostic, skilled workmanship, customer trust and transparency. These slides present the products and services offered by the business, focusing on motorcycle repair and maintenance. Core services include oil change, CVT cleaning, brake servicing, and engine overhaul, electrical repair, and fuel system cleaning. It also highlights specialized services such as engine upgrades, accessories installation, and advanced diagnostic. These services aims to provide reliable, affordable, and high quality solution for customers.
Service pricing table. Change oil, 50 to 200 pesos. CVT cleaning, 200 to 300 pesos. Brake cleaning, 100 to 250 pesos. Throttle body cleaning, 200 to 400 pesos. FI cleaning, 150 to 350 pesos. Engine top overhaul, 1,000 to 250, 2,500 pesos. Engine full overhaul, 2,500 to 4,500 pesos. Clutch replacement, 150 to 250 pesos. Magneto cleaning, 250 to 600 pesos. Change fuel filter, 50 to 350 pesos. Electrical repair, 300 to 1,000 pesos. Accessories installation, 100 to 1,000 pesos. Engine performance upgrade, 1,000 to 5,000 pesos. Price depend on motorcycle model. Marketing and sales strategy. Marketing strategies. Active social media presence, Facebook, TikTok, posting repair transformation, and customer testimonial. Promotion discount for new customer. Loyalty program for repeat clients. Partnership with delivery riders in group. Sales strategy. Transparent pricing system. Bundle service package. Fast and efficient service delivery. Customer relationship management. Next. Financial plan and projection. Startup capital. Total. 100,000 137,000 pesos. Monthly expenses, 30,000 pesos. Revenue projection, 5 customer a day, 500 average service fee. Monthly revenue, 6,500, 65,000 pesos. Profit analysis, monthly net profit, 35,000. Break-even analysis, required customer 60 a month, equivalent to 2 customer a day. Payback period, estimated recovery, 4 to 6 months. 5-year growth projection. The business is expected to grow steadily due to increasing demand and improved service capacity.
And that's all for our presentation for today. Thank you, sir.